Hey there, time travelers and future enthusiasts. Have you ever felt that weird sensation of déjà vu? Like you've lived this exact moment before? Or maybe you've dreamt about an event that later came true. Well, buckle up and get ready to blast off, because today, we are diving into the mind-bending world of time, physics, and some truly wild theories about how the universe works. By the end of this video, you might never think about time the same way again. Let's go! Imagine this. The now you're experiencing isn't the same now for someone standing on the other side of the planet. Or even for your neighbor next door. Sounds crazy, right? But according to Einstein's theory of relativity, that's exactly how our universe works. Time isn't a fixed, universal thing that ticks away at the same rate for everyone. Think of it like a stretchy, bendy trampoline. Massive objects, like planets or black holes, act like bowling balls that stretch the fabric of space-time. The more massive the object, the slower time moves around it. So, if you could somehow survive near a black hole, years might pass on Earth while you'd experience only a few minutes. Talk about a cosmic snooze button. And speed. Oh, speed messes with time too. Let's say you're zooming through the galaxy in a spaceship moving near the speed of light. Time would slow down for you. When you return to Earth, you might feel like only a year has passed, but decades might have flown by for everyone else. Think Interstellar, but with fewer tears and more intergalactic ping-pong. Even here on Earth, this time-warping effect is real. GPS satellites experience time differently because they're moving fast and orbiting higher. Without adjusting for this, your GPS could be off by about 10 kilometers a day. Thank Einstein next time your phone guides you to pizza instead of the middle of nowhere. Now here's a brain melter. What if time doesn't actually flow at all? According to the block universe theory, past, present, and future all exist simultaneously, like slices in a loaf of bread. You're just moving through the loaf slice by slice. If this is true, then the future is already out there, waiting for us to catch up. It's like a movie reel. The whole film exists, but we are watching it frame by frame. Mind-bending, right? Speaking of time's mysteries, have you ever noticed how time feels different depending on what you're doing? Bored. It crawls. Having fun? It zips by. That's because our brains are sneaky timekeepers. When we are in danger or high-stress situations, they process information faster, making time feel slower. It's all part of our survival instincts. Now let's really twist the time travel dial. What if the future doesn't just exist, but is one of infinite possibilities? According to quantum mechanics, reality at its smallest scales isn't set in stone. Instead, it's a shimmering sea of probabilities. Every decision, every quantum event could create a branching timeline. This ties into the many worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics. Every time a choice is made, the universe splits into parallel realities. So in another universe, you might be a rock star. Or a sentient potato. Anything's possible. But if all these realities exist, why do we only experience one? Some scientists suggest our consciousness might be like a surfer, riding the wave of probabilities and choosing what becomes real. Trippy, right? And then there's quantum tunneling, where particles straight up break the rules of physics as we know them. Imagine throwing a ball at a wall, and instead of bouncing back, it just passes through. Particles can do that. And it's not just sci-fi. It's crucial for processes like nuclear fusion in stars, and even how DNA mutates. But here's the million-dollar question. Can we ever change the future? Are we simply actors in a cosmic script? Or do we have the power to rewrite it? Some theories suggest the future is fixed. Others say it's a quantum dance of probabilities, waiting for us to interact with it. Maybe every choice we make is like casting a stone into the pond of space-time, sending ripples that shape what's to come. Graphics. Rippling pond with a cosmic backdrop. And what about retrocausality? This mind-bending idea suggests that future events could influence the past. Imagine your future self subtly guiding you through quantum entanglement. It's like getting cosmic advice from yourself, but backwards. Clip. Futuristic communication between a present and future self. So, did the future already happen? Well, in some ways, it's happening right now. With every choice you make, every action you take, you're shaping the canvas of tomorrow. The future isn't something we are waiting for, it's something we are creating, moment by moment. If your brain isn't a pretzel by now, I don't know what will twist it. What do you think about all these theories? Which one blows your mind the most? Let us know in the comments. And if you're ready to dive even deeper, hit that like button and subscribe for more cosmic curiosities. Oh, and let us know, what's the best decade to time travel to? We'll explore that in our next episode. Until then, stay insanely curious. You can share your opinion in the comments. I would be happy if you like and subscribe. See you soon. Goodbye.